So what are some examples of companies that got product market fit right? Slack is a great example because in the beginning, they got it all wrong. Slack was created initially as a communications tool to support a role-playing game the founders were working on. What they found was that they didn't have product market fit for their game, but there was a market for workplace collaboration, and their communication tool solved an unmet need in that arena. Today, Slack has achieved product market fit with over 12 million users and a valuation of $7 billion. Netflix is probably the classic example. Early on, tapping into the market desire to avoid driving to a brick and mortar store to get your video rental and doing everything via a smart DVD by mail operation. Netflix had strong success early on, but they saw their market changing and adjusted their product market fit to serve the growing streaming video market. As we have seen, they were quite successful, with today a crazy $125 billion valuation. So you think you have product market fit? How do you know? Well, you know you don't have it when customers don't get it. They aren't telling their friends, the sales cycle takes forever, and general usage is lagging. Alternatively, you know when you have it, when all the good things happen. Usage is growing, customers are buying, and you are getting press inquiries like never before. Now, most likely, you are probably between these two extremes, and you will need to apply some metrics to gauge where you are. Here are a few you can measure. Number 1, how quickly do customers make up their minds about a purchase? Number 2, are reviewers mentioning your product to family and friends or social media connections? 3, what is your customer retention rate? 4, are customers interacting with your marketing efforts? 5, how many customers have unsubscribed from your communications or stopped using your product altogether? And finally, 6, get customer feedback. Have you conducted a series of focus groups or field research and measured that over time? All of these will help you know whether you have product market fit and whether it's improving or failing. If the latter, this could be your wake-up call that your product needs significant refinement. Maybe it's the right product in the wrong market, or you need to go back to the drawing board. In the end, remember you can't change a market. So find a large market with an unmet need, then build a product that satisfies that need. Do this and you will achieve product market fit nirvana. Then you can worry about the other two big challenges, building your team and your business strategy to scale.